Hey, what's up YouTube? What's good? This is Zach here, back with another video. As you guys can see by the title of this video and just by the looks of my hair, it's about time. It's about time I got a little retwist. So basically, I was in the middle of washing my hair, and to answer those questions, no, this is not build-up. I'm not disgusting. This is just shampoo in my hair. I was in the middle of washing my hair and I was like, shit nigga, why don't I just show these niggas the process of me washing and retwisting my hair? Or really just retwisting it, because I'm not finna do all that in the shower. But I'm finna basically just show you guys how I fucking retwist and style my hair. I'm gonna do a little 2-strand twist this time. And shit, let's just get straight into the video, because I'm not trying to bullshit right now.
And I'm just tryna count up the cake, just tryna scoot off in the race. Fuck niggas, stay in your place. Yeah. Me and my niggas don't play. You hate on my drip every day, but I'm still gon' make a way. Yeah.
I just had to prove to it because it was weighing heavily on my chest that some of y'all niggas might have just thought I was a dirty ass nigga. This is right after a wash. I don't have very much buildup, but I'm gonna do an apple cider vinegar rinse one of these days just to get the little buildup that I do have out, because it is really bothering me. I won't lie. But this is my hair fresh out the shower, and I'm finna just hop in that restroom and do this research for y'all niggas like I said I would. And shit, let's go. Alright y'all, so fresh out the shower like I said, I have a shirt on now. And honestly, I'm gonna just do a little quick 360 for y'all real quick, just so I can get a scope of what I'm working with right now. And I think my dreads are like 9 months old, almost 10 at this point. And bruh, I know for a fact that my dreads are finally locked, because earlier in the process, I don't know, I'll probably link the video somewhere up above as usual, but my first retwist video, my hair was like, I don't know, I can physically feel the difference in my hair now, so I know for a fact that it's locked up. And I don't know, that's just a little mini update. But as y'all can see, these roots are very like bushy, and I definitely need a retwist. But this retwist should give me some really good length just because of how long my hair is right now. But shit, let's just get straight into the little tutorial, I guess we could call it. First thing that I like to do is section out my hair. And I don't really do it the same way a lot of people do it, but I usually section out the first row of my locks just because it's easier to do that. Just start going up layer by layer basically. But first step, section out first layer of your locks. I'm probably gonna speed through this process because nobody wants to see this shit, in all honesty. Alright, and now that I've gotten just the beginning first row of all of my locks, I'm gonna put the rest of it up in a little ponytail type shit. Right. So that's the look. Alright, after that, next thing I like to do is typically to like basically part this line so you don't even gotta worry about it for the remainder of that front line. So all I do is pull down this front section, as you guys can see that I'm doing right now. Ooh, almost dropped my camera. That would have been real shitty. Hold up. First thing I'm gonna do is pull my locks down right here. As y'all can see, I tried to zoom in a little bit. But then after that, comb away from that part that you see that's already created. And obviously I'm not a professional, so this part is obviously not perfectly straight. I don't really want to see those comments. Please don't comment that shit. But I'll do the best I can. And now that that's like that, typically, I'm not gonna lie, fucked up. Typically you want to do this before you put your hair up in that little section, just cause it's a lot easier to do it like that, because I gotta redo this up just to make sure that the hairs stay in this section of the way. I'll do that. I don't always do this, but right now I will. I'm gonna just put some gel It's like, nigga, you thought. I'll put some gel in my hands, because I don't like to just put it straight in my hair, because I typically don't even need as much as I take out. This is all I'm gonna use right now for these first few locks. So it's not trying to focus. But anyways, I'll put that on the locks, the little sections. Cause I'm gonna start with these 2 locks and 2 strand twist and retwist these ones right now. The second step, basically, I don't even know what step we're on, fuck it. But the next step is gonna be to make your middle part. That hoe shouldn't be that difficult if you maintained your parts pretty well, and if not, then it's gonna be a little painful because you gotta rake the comb down to fix the part. As you can see, I only needed like 1 swipe and it's be straight now. So now I'm gonna get this, put that over there, so that part is just out of the way. I can focus on this side. As you can see, I have this part, that part. Only part that's left is to focus on this. And this is honestly how you just do all of your hair. And because a lot of people be having questions on how to part their hair, and the easiest way I can do it and tell you, to be honest, is you're probably not gonna get it perfect every single time, and that's fine, if we're being honest, because a lot of times it's supposed to be perfect. But if you want that perfect look, then I recommend that you don't retwist yourself, just because unless you're a professional loctician, it's not gonna come out the way you want it, typically. But after I part that section out, I grab the hair. All the hairs in this part, I grab it. Make sure it's tight to the root. I don't know if y'all can see, but I'm getting it pretty tight in there. And the next thing I'm gonna do is get my hand, go like this and like this. It's basically a palm roll type of thing, but I like doing this better because I don't know, it just feels cleaner. And I'll actually do a palm roll, and that's how I retwist my hair. Now when you're doing the 2-strand twist type of thing, you're not gonna wanna like clip all your hair up immediately. So I just clip this first lock away, and I can take this comb out of the second lock. Notice I put the comb in the second lock, and now that part is still there. This top part is still there. And all I gotta do is worry about cleaning up this side part. So I'm gonna comb that away like the last time. Really, you can just even just look at where the part should be. Kind of pull some hair away. I'm looking in the mirror over here, so I'm sorry. But you do that, and you part your hair again, like I told you. And now, you're gonna wanna do the same thing, grab all the hair in that part, start twisting it. Start twisting it. You can do a little palm, you can do what you want, honestly. I do this because I like it. Sometimes I mix in some palm rolls, sometimes I only do the hand shit. But now that you have that part down and that part down, you have 2 retwisted dreads. Or locks, my bad. You wanna use dreads again. Next thing I'm gonna do is start 2-strand twisting it. And honestly speaking, that's the whole tutorial, nigga. But I'm gonna fast forward and show you guys the finished product when I finish at the end, probably in like an hour, because I like to take my time. But I'm gonna 2-strand twist this lock all the way down to the root, and not to the root, to the end. When I get to the end, I'm gonna grab a rubber band, and with that rubber band, I'm gonna take that hoe, put it around the lock, very, very tightly, very close to the bottom, the way I like to do it, so it don't come out. And there you got it. It's a 2-strand twist, and it's gonna look weird right now because it's wet. I got shit in my eye, pause. But whenever I do finish it, I'm gonna come back and show you guys, and that's gonna be the next clip. So wait a minute. Shit. All right, y'all. So as y'all can probably tell, this is the finished product. I just finished like literally 30 seconds ago, and I just turned this camera back on. This probably did take me like exactly an hour to finish. I haven't been here for that long, and I think it came out pretty nice. I'm gonna zoom in for y'all, give y'all a 360. Front, right side. This is probably the back. I'm not sure if you can see because obviously I'm backwards. The other side, and the top again. But yeah. Ooh, I think I did a pretty good job, especially since I was rushing and shit. So I did have to go and do my laundry halfway through. But here's the results. And honestly speaking, obviously I had to develop my retwisting skills, not to say I'm professional or nothing, but it's not gonna be like this on your first try, but you just have to be patient and make sure that you just stay consistent. If you keep doing it, I promise you'll get a lot better. But goddamn, nigga, I ran out of shit to say again. Should be pissing me off. Like I literally don't know what else to say, but I know I have to continue recording because this video is dumb short.
I mean, not everything has to be long.
Factual. Alright, y'all. And on that note, man, I don't know if what else y'all were expecting from this video. I might do like a little clip of me oiling my scalp right now, because that shit is usually pretty appealing to see. But other than that, I'm gonna just show that. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and I'll see y'all next time. Alright, y'all, so I'll be seeing this shit on Instagram all the time, and niggas usually just be like putting oil in the parts. I don't know. I'm about to try it out because it just looks extremely I don't know, it's very satisfying to see. I'm gonna do it for y'all niggas. Alright, I'm not even finna do the back and all that shit just cause it's a lot of work and I'm not really trying to flip the whole, you know, I'm not trying to do all that. But hey man, I know this video was really short and it really wasn't that in-depth, but if you did enjoy the video, I really appreciate it. If you liked, commented, and subscribed, we are like less than 10 subscribers away from 500 subs. And I'd really appreciate it if you guys got me to that before or after this video drops, before I post another video. But man, I appreciate all the support as of recently. Let's just keep it going and keep growing and elevating as we go into this new year. But at this point, I'm just rambling on, so I'm gonna end the video here, and I hope you guys enjoyed it.